I broke some blades again. It's just endless. Thing tows pretty good too, I'll tell you. What is that? 21 horsepower. Oh, tow a trailer with that. G'day folks, check it out. Check this out. We got ourselves a ride-on mower. Got it. Pretty darn cheap too. Yep. She's a beauty. We picked this thing up for $200. It had a stuffed steering. The teeth were all worn. So there was a few $100s in new teeth and gears. And if you don't know about it, you've got a style of mower like this with these sorts of steering systems. And look at that, that's easy as now. A little bit loose, but I can live with that. It's called Cheap Man Power Steering. Look it up. It's just a few flat bearings, a couple of washers, plonk them in. Man, this thing steers beautifully now. Runs good. Deck is average. I'll put some new blades on it because I broke some blades again. It's just endless. Thing tows pretty good too, I'll tell you. It's a let's confirm, 21 horsepower somewhere. It's on here. 21. Oh, look at that. Oh, tow a trailer with that. We actually do. We tow a little trailer, that little thing we've got, which I can tell you, that is sweet. So easy. Drag it around, collecting firewood, picking up rocks, hook it up to this, go around with bits of wire and collecting stuff. It's been awesome. But yes, good old John Deere. He's an oldie, but again, frugal. We don't have money. We're not made of money. We've got to do it as cheap as possible, and this is one way. Occasionally we get lucky and we get a good piece of cheap equipment. This is one of those.